are in Antalya, and me and say your name.
Mariia.
Mariia from Ukraine. We are going to Duden Waterfall, the upper one, with a bus. It's hot, not as hot, but still 33. And let's see. Just makes ice to drink cold water all the time. And this is the minibus we're using to go to the waterfall. It's 33 liras, not expensive. Down from the bus, that was our small bus. Near
It was very windy and hot, but we made it.
And well, waterfall will be good. That is good for hot days.
Look, so safe.
That's how it should be. Windy. To our live show.
10 lira, and you will get all experience that you would like to see.
What?
What? Really what?
10 liras for all the experiences, people.
Okay, I have another side quest. I need to buy the most stupid souvenir for my friend.
Stupid souvenir.
Yeah, but you know, like stupid in a way. Not like magnets, just or like sunglasses.
I've seen like those penis magnets. This is worthy. Are you fine? Are you fine? And here are the ticket prices. It's 70 lira for adult person, and rest we don't know. Waterfall time.
Huh?
Waterfall time.
What was that?
You have any comments? How was the ticket
Uh,
experience?
I was helped by a nice man, and then I screwed as usual, and I almost fell down. But I survived.
That's a good start, people.
It's good. So you see, we have some restaurant here, some parrots, some magaras, and
She's just reading the signs. Oh. This is the Upper Duden, beginning of it, I think. And I think this is only the viewpoint, right? I met, like I was going around and in Dash, and this guy was using the binoculars to look at two women.
Wow.
And I was like, look at the photo, man, look at the Yeah, looks nice, looks nice. And the view of the waterfall. The cave systems.
Tripping.
Today she's the star of the show, so people...
So the lions staying over there, but you can see them.
Nice.
Now we need to find this illegal place to swim.
Yeah, let's go down first. The bad cave. Oh no, that's bad cave. I want to go this way first. This way. Let's. I don't know. Look around. Just looking around.
So,
This is how she works, dangerously. That's a jacuzzi.
dangerously.
Well, maybe we can sit there some, like after swimming or something to drink. Yeah. She's learning how to be an influencer today.
Yes.
We have a new influencer in this world now, and it will be good.
Look how beautiful. And somebody is crashing over there.
See? A restaurant right there. You can do picnics here or eat by the water. It's nice. We're on a hunt to sit at a place and chill or take a dip. It's hot. Let's see.
If you need to find waterfall, seems like a water. But not like
That's sage advice. If you want to find a waterfall, be like water. Excellent.
do not jump off waterfall. Okay.
There's no water in there, so that's why. This is a frustrated lady not able to find a place to swim. She just became Italian. Not good.
Because in here,
Yeah.
okay, it's clean water.
The only thing is you never know how many people pissed in this. It's a nice picnic place with a lot of restaurants. And this is the ancient tomb. We did go here this last way, so should we go that way?
Oh, actually, we did go here last
Ah, shit.
Let's sit somewhere
Waterfall.
in the shadow and
We didn't go this way, right? We went that way.
we came just from there. Huh?
No, but that is the waterfall, it says.
Yeah.
Let's see, let's see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, we didn't see this before. The top of the waterfall. That's a very small stream. This is supposed to be filled with water.
No water.
Yeah, they now, yeah, we are going back.
So let's Google.
It's a critical moment and we have to find the place to swim, otherwise she won't go home.
Yes. I want to go home.
We're looking at Reddit for answers.
It was ready for answers.
Dramatic messages inbound.
If you need something, you can get it.
Bit of a happy moment. We have to go to the other waterfall, Corsulo, which is 30 minutes away. She's a
It's
bit
the
more.
next destination. I'm happy we will
she's-
see more waterfalls.
She's kicking stones now, so she's happy now. Nice. We are waiting at the next bus stop to go further.
I
Yeah.
saw the boat, like, I wake up early today to go and swim not under the super heating sun.
I think there'll be shade there. It was.
No, it's fine.
It's fine. It was a nice day.